Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix the last Caretaker game not launching or not opening, unable to open, won't start error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and then check whether the game is launching or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So you have to wait for some time. Once the game files are verified, now try to launch the game and check. Next is to run game as administrators. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Here is the game application, select it, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If it doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once this is disabled, now try to launch the game and check. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So let me search for the game. Here is the game application, but if you cannot find the game over here, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check if it's working now. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general here, you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, type -D3D11 and then launch the game and now see if it's working. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on a repair and wait for some time. Here you will get setup successful message. Close this. After closing this, restart your PC and after that again log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, try to launch the game and check. NVIDIA named users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager. So search for task manager. After that, here under process tab you have to search for those apps which are running in the background. You simply have to select it. After that, right click on it, click on end a task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, again launch the game and check. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Select the drive where your game has been installed. Select custom size. In the initial size, type 12288. In the maximum size, type 24576. Click on set, click on OK. Once done, now launch the game and check. If not, next is to check graphics settings of the game. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game. And this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if you are having any antivirus software installed on your system, then you can suffer from crashing or other issues while playing the game. So you are suggested to disable the antivirus software before you launch the game and then check if the game is opening now or not. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. It will check if there is any update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, now try to launch the game and check. Next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, go to click on add a desktop app. After that, here go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that, launch the game and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the last Caretaker game. So what you need to do is go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and then reinstall the last Caretaker game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.